Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. We are in America for this vlog and we will be showing you some of Florida. Basically, the day we arrived, we decided to go to an American football game, and it was between the Orlando Apollos and Memphis Express. This is something that's always been on the top of my bucket list, to go and see a NFL game stateside, and I do hope one day to go and see my personal team, the Jacksonville Jaguars, when they play at their stadium.
Oh, what a cut! What a cut!
Touchdown, Orlando Apollos!
The day after the game was spent having a bit of a rest and figuring out what we wanted to do with our time in Florida, so we decided to buy some tickets for Disney World and go and see Magic Kingdom, and here are some of the photos and videos from that. With our time in Magic Kingdom, we decided to go to Frontierland and go on Splash Mountain, which was a great move because in Florida it was really hot, so we dried out pretty quickly after this ride. Then we next went on to Space Mountain, and that was just a ride that I've been on before at Disneyland Paris, but then decided to go on again here as well, and it was just a really great ride and definitely worth going on.
Of course, whilst you're in Disneyland, you have to catch the main parade in the middle of the day, and we really wanted to see some of the Disney princesses for Todd's niece and nephew as well, and for my benefit because I love Disney. I don't care how old you are, Disney World is just the best place on earth. So after going on a few rides, of course, we got pretty hungry, so we decided to get some food. Not your average food. Todd got a massive turkey leg, which was amazing. And I got, of course, a Mickey-shaped pretzel.
Hey guys, we are at Blizzard Beach. So we're gonna go around all of the rides and attractions today, and we're gonna show them off because we are currently in Disney World. Beat you! Yeah, get me in! Let's go! Yeah, buddy! Gentlemen, boys and girls. Look at these gnarly waves, man. Woo! Look at these waves. Boom! Smacked me square in the nuts, that did. Ow!
Are you recording?
Yeah, now I am.
We are on a what's
Doing
it
it?
called? Yeah, what's it called?
This is a chairlift.
A chairlift.
And I just got smacked on the head.
Todd was leaning down here, the bar wasn't here, Todd was leaning down here and the bar came down there, smacked his head twice. He's like, what's going on?
Why are
It's
they
funny.
attacking me?
So we've got a view of the park. We're going up here to these two water slides, which are the tallest ones in the park. We've done all of the others, we've been in the pool, like the wave machine. We're having a really good day.
Really good day, especially for Melissa's birthday.
Yeah, especially.
Woo! Whoa, my God! That was amazing! Ah.
I think I just... Oh, my butt! Todd is up here going... Wait, is that Todd? There he is! Todd's going! Let's go catch him! Right, we're going to get him coming down here. Whoa! 40 miles per hour. So guys, that is the end of our time at Blizzard Beach, and the next day we went to another Disney park. We went to Animal Kingdom. So we went to Animal Kingdom. This was the last Disney park that we went to, and we kind of feel like we saved the best till last. Magic Kingdom was really good, but we were excited to do Animal Kingdom because we wanted to do the safari, see all the different animals and go on the new rides that they have there. So the first ride that we went on at Animal Kingdom was the new Pandora ride. We did this because there was a 3-hour wait, which was crazy, but we really wanted to go on it, and we're so happy that we did. Everyone was recommending it to us and it was amazing, and I would love to go on it again. Not sure if I'd wait 3 hours, but if anyone does go, it's definitely worth the wait if you haven't been on it before, because it is something else. So after going on a few more rides, which we didn't actually manage to record because, to be honest with you, we were just having too much fun running around the park, we finished the day by going on the safari that they have there. It was a little bit of a shame because it started raining just before we were going to go on it, so it was really hard to get photos of the animals, as a lot of them were like hiding inside from the rain. But here are some of the photos that we did get. So whilst we were in Florida, we actually stayed with my nan and granddad at their house there, so shout out to my nan and gramps for letting us stay there. And after we had finished then, we moved on to Jacksonville. So we went to Jacksonville because Todd wanted to go there because that is where his NFL team is based. He supports the Jacksonville Jaguars, and it's somewhere he's always wanted to go. And we went to Florida as a bit of a whim decision. So the fact that we could go there and he could see the stadium and have a tour of the stadium was just amazing, and he loved every minute of it. And obviously it was just so great to see how happy he was, and we both loved it. Although we got hit by a storm whilst we were there, we still had the best day. Since going to have a tour of Jacksonville Jaguars Stadium, it has now pushed Todd even more to want to go back there and watch an NFL game. So that's the next thing I'm going to look for, is when the NFL season starts again, hopefully going back to Jacksonville so we can watch one of the games. So whilst we were in Jacksonville, we were actually lucky enough to catch a Monster Jam Truck Fest, which was actually being held in the Jacksonville Jaguars Stadium. So one, we got to actually go into the stadium again and watch, not a game, but we got to watch a Monster Jam Truck Festival, which neither of us have ever seen before. So that was interesting to say the least. Very loud, lots of mud. It had rained that day, but it was a lot of fun, and we've seen one now, so we're pretty happy about that. So that, guys, is the end of our travels around Florida. We hope you enjoyed this vlog, and the next vlogs will be all about Brazil. Thanks for watching.